What's happening, Wombats? I wanted to do a little video today about the new Huawei HMS devices and their ability to work with the Google applications. So as you know, the new Huawei HMS devices do not come with Google mobile services, which means that some apps built using Google mobile services won't work. For example, an app like Uber, which uses your location and the maps, they're provided by Google mobile services. It's easier for Uber to build their app if they use a Google component. HMS, which is Huawei Mobile Services, does the same thing. However, some apps aren't yet using it and therefore aren't compatible with HMS devices. But what about the Google apps themselves? This video could get a little bit long, but hopefully it won't. I've left in the description below minute timers so you can figure out if you want to see a specific app, how you get to it. Aren't I kind? So first and foremost, Google Maps. You can install Google Maps on Huawei HMS devices. It will run, it will work. The location works fine, you can plot a route, however, it doesn't let you send to your Google account, so doing things like saving locations unfortunately doesn't work. However, the alternative is Here Maps. Now, Here Maps is available on Huawei mobile services. It was made popular on the Nokia devices back in the days of Windows. It's a fantastic app and works in partnership with TripAdvisor, so if you then put in a location, it'll give you the TripAdvisor rating. So it's a really good app, and it lets you use it offline. This one's a biggie, YouTube. YouTube does work on Huawei HMS devices, however it's a light version, so therefore if you're watching a video and want to minimise down and scroll down, you can't unfortunately. The only way to maybe take advantage of your premium subscription features is to go through the Huawei browser. Go onto the Huawei browser, head to YouTube, create a shortcut and add it to your home screen. That way you can still enjoy all your favourite YouTube content, like this video. Yeah. Google Search. So the Google Search app is one that we use quite a lot as well. It allows a widget to go onto the home screen so you can quickly search through things. Now the Huawei browser actually has a search widget included. So if you pinch on your home screen, you can add a widget onto your home screen from the Huawei browser. This allows you a quick search function straight to Google. Same thing. What about Google Chrome? Google Chrome you can install, it works. If you want to use it as a browser, you're more than welcome to. However, you won't be able to sign into your actual Google account. So being able to do things like save passwords doesn't work. What I would recommend is using the Huawei browser, which blocks ads, blocks pop-ups, allows you to sign in and save passwords, and is just as secure as Chrome. Next on to Gmail. The Gmail app is not available on Huawei HMS devices. As you would understand, it would need you to sign in with Google mobile services and the Play services, so it's not there. However, Huawei have an email application, just as secure. You can add your Gmail account, your work account, your personal account, your something else account. I don't know, you can add accounts, you can get emails in there. It works just fine, it's cool. What about Google Drive? Google Drive doesn't work, I'm afraid. However, going through the Huawei browser, you can actually go to the Google Drive homepage, which will allow you to add a shortcut onto your homepage and access your files from Google Drive. However, what you could also do is open up the Files app, because in Files, that links with your Huawei ID. So anything you upload to your Huawei ID into your Huawei cloud is accessible through the Files application. So if you have the MatePad Pro and a P40 Pro, you can upload a file from one into your cloud and access it from the other device as well. So it's pretty much the same. So Google Photos is another biggie. That allows you unlimited storage to store pictures online up to a certain megapixel threshold and access them across any device. Now obviously, Google Photos does not work on HMS devices, not the app anyway. However, going through the Huawei browser, you can access the Google Photos homepage, which allows you to do the same things: archive, delete, store, manage into albums, etc. Now, if you just add that to your homepage, you've got a shortcut, lets you do the same thing. Or the alternative is to start making use of your Huawei ID and your Huawei cloud storage. If you go into Settings and then click on your Huawei ID, you can go into the backup section, which allows you then to automatically set that your gallery uploads its pictures on a regular basis to your Huawei cloud. This will become accessible in the gallery from multiple devices using your Huawei ID. It's the same thing. Granted, you don't get unlimited storage, but it's pretty reasonable. And lastly, Google Keep. So Google Keep is a great note-taking application. Granted, not everybody uses it, but it has some good features. So with Google Keep, it's basically a notepad that syncs across your multiple devices using your Google account. One of the features, collaboration. Now, Google Keep is available still through your browser, so you can do the same thing we can do with some others, which is add a shortcut to your homepage and access it through the Huawei browser. Alternatively, you can start using Huawei Notepad. Again, this uses your Huawei ID and the cloud storage to allow your notes to sync across multiple devices. Make a change on one, it appears on the other. There isn't any collaboration just yet, but hopefully that's something we'll see in the future. Cheers for watching, guys. I know it was a little bit long. I tried to keep it short, but there's a lot of information to go over. There's a lot of apps that people use that they're worried about not having access to on their new Huawei HMS devices. But there's always an alternative. So I hope you've enjoyed it. Cheers, guys. Tune in again soon. Bye.